Alright, guys. Welcome to today's trade recap. I haven't done a trade recap in a minute. Today is June 4th, 2026. Discord took some wins today. I'll pull them up on here. I only traded evals today because I got my winning days for my fundeds yesterday. But I have passed 5 top step evals, so solid day there. Let me pull Discord up. Trades. Cole caught this long off of that. I caught some Moderna calls. Took this on my live, this short off of OTE. My IRL Luke just got his first payout, or he's securing his first payout with this trade right here. Leb passed 2 accounts today on that trade. Cole swung $500 on call options on the SPY from the bottom. He also passed a 150k on Top Step. And yeah, so let me just get into the day now. So go into replay mode here. Alright, so coming into the day, I need to pull up my daily bias again for you guys so you guys can see I'm not LARPing. Post it every day in my Discord. If you're interested in the Discord, it'll be in the bio of this video. Or go to my Instagram, NQNMQS, or my TikTok, Niconomics, and DM me there. But if you're interested in that, just check it out. No pressure, of course. But this is the daily bias that I posted today. I posted this last night for London session. But yeah, Sybil bias, close above 337, and we're going to be bullish. Close below, and we'll continue to be bearish. And everyone knows my draw on liquidity for the day. And I also said more than likely to be consolidation. Best draw is the level that I gave, which is 337. And I gave the reasoning of that level right there. You guys can see. So come on to the chart. We can see. Let's mark out the first level that I said, 337. So the no top wick hourly 15-minute 4-hour candle. So it's the 4-hour candle that we're putting in right now. You can see that this 4-hour candle has expanded, and we actually are trending towards getting the CRT to this high. But first off, we need to sweep out that, and that's going to be after we come down and take out these daily lows, 4-hour lows, all that stacked up shit. So coming into the market open, you can see this is our draw on liquidity. Boom. Let's skip back to market open. So I was in the call pretty early today, and I was on pre-market, and I was drawing up to these highs. I actually took a long, like, basically right down here, and I ended up getting break even on this. It was off of this. It was just this quick little scalp. I ended up getting break even on this. Stop loss was here. Or no, I didn't even get break even. I just got teleported out by this candle, but took this small loss. It was like, I only put 3 micros on because it was pre-market, but yeah, so coming into the day we have this. Let's go to the 9:30 open. As always, I'm Pacific Standard Time, that's why it says 6:30. So if we come down to like the 5-minute time frame, we have basically this entire structure that we built up. We have a break of structures to the upside, so this kind of confirms that we will actually want to go and hit that draw on liquidity, which would be this no top wick candle. So what can we do? Find some lows that are stacked up. Find an OTE level, 0.705. Boom. Price comes down to the 0.705. I was looking at the 15-second chart on here, but my entry was basically right here off of the 15-second CISD of the first candle. So, boom, straight up. You could have entered off whatever, but boom, straight to TP. Amazing fucking trade. And then, like I said in the Discord, and all my levels are for the 15-minute chart, I said if we end up closing below the 337, then we're going to be bearish down to the lows that we put in. So what can we do? We can mark out the low that we have here because we ended up closing below this on the 15-minute. So if we're looking at it from a 15-minute perspective, we have a break of structure down, close below this low, change in character, and a liquidity sweep of these highs inside of the hourly fair value gap, or SIBI, or whatever you want to call it. Now we can look for shorts. I know most IFVG traders probably took either like this 2-minute or 1-minute inversion, but what I was looking for was some displacement down, boom, we get the displacement down, mark out our OTE leg. And as we're coming up to make this OTE leg, we're forming this 5 minute with this CISD on the 3 minute, I believe it, or 1 minute, I believe it was. So we have 0.618 right here. Basically, my limit order was just right in the middle of the 0.618 and the 0.5. Stop loss at this high above the 0.79, targeting this. Getting 2.36 RR, you can see we get tagged in right there. Boom. And price chops around a little bit and then delivers down. So 2 absolutely beautiful trades for me today. And then obviously you guys saw Cole took these longs, and like I said, it's a New York consolidation profile. If I pull this up, right here, New York consolidation, it would be this. So we have, it's the opposite of this because this is upside down. I have this upside down. I don't know, I can't find the normal one, but we have Asia accumulation, and then London distributed, and then New York consolidates. So you can see that happening right here. But then you get this move up. Could have caught this long. It kind of just delivered straight up. And 10 a.m. open didn't really give anything today, I don't think. I literally got off the charts after I took this first short, so, or after I took the first long, and then I took the short on my phone. But yeah, 10 a.m. you could have got that, but as of right now, we're kind of just chopping. So yeah, pretty simple day. Discord absolutely printed today. Yeah, now we're just kind of going higher now. So yeah, pretty good day. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments as always, and follow all my socials, and let me know any other video ideas you guys want.